Hello everyone. Today I will make scrunchy out of my old tea. Let's start. For this you will need a tea, a scissor, an old rubber band and a safety pin. Cut out a folded part, it's useless. Then cut a stripe leaving 4 or 5 fingers space. Before swing it, make sure you keep the inner part out. Now fold this part of the stripe and sew the outer stripe. Keep a gap at the end of it so that you can pull out the entire stripe out of it. Now I will put a rubber band inside it. Secure the end of rubber band with a pin so that it does not get lost inside. After you're done with it, take out the pins. And take multiple stitches over here. After that, sew the gap. I'm done. Now let's make the band. Draw a 3x3 box. Now draw an 8 cm band. Now fold it and cut it. This is how you have to sew it, leaving a gap in between. Now pull the band out of the gap. After that, sew the gap. OMG, it is looking so pretty. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.